How to make an appeal on YouTube. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make an appeal on YouTube. If your channel is terminated, you will get an email explaining the reason for the termination. If your YouTube channel is terminated, you are prohibited from circumventing the termination by using or creating any other YouTube channels. You are also prohibited from letting others whose YouTube channels have been terminated use your YouTube channel to bypass their termination. This applies to all of your existing channels, any new channels you create or acquire, and any channels in which you are repeatedly or prominently featured. Participants of the YouTube Partner Program are no longer entitled to earn any revenue if their channel is terminated. To appeal on a computer, open YouTube Studio. Below the termination info, click Begin Review and review the reason for termination. Now click Next and select Start Appeal. Then, provide your contact email address, explain your appeal, and click Submit. If your channel was terminated due to copyright infringement claims and you think the claims are incorrect, you may file a counter notification. This process is still available for creators with terminated channels, but the counter notification web form will be inaccessible. You may also submit a counter notification via email, fax, or postal mail. You can also try to get in touch with the claimant directly to request a retraction. For more info on the counter notification process, go to the Copyright Center. If your channel is terminated, you can no longer download your YouTube content. However, you do maintain the ability to download your Google data. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.